Hello everybody and welcome to another tutorial in camera and lens repair. And this time I will show how to make a tool for the Mamiya Sekor C. It's the RB lens. And as you probably can see, there is a retaining ring that holds the shutter assembly in place to the back here. And instead of using a compass or lens tool, whatever, lens spinner, I'll just make a tool to unscrew it and screw it in with the 51mm, it would say 2-inch Sekor saw, and it's quite easy. There are a lot of dents around here, and you just take one there and one on the opposite side, and you cut all the teeth except only two, this one and this one, or it could be this one on this one. Should be shut just 180 degrees from each other. So and it's quite easy with a angle grinder, and so I will just show how it can be done, and I will of course also use my Dremel tool here with a fine grinding stone. It will be quite noisy, so I just go ahead and yeah. So now you can see we just took off half of the teeth, and I will do the same on the other side, and except for this and this one. So it's not hard, it's not hard to do that, but it's a good tool. So now we have a shape that is all the teeth are away and except two, and then I will simply cut away, shape it to the correct width here of each dent, and for that I will use my Dremel tool. So now you can see the two pins here is actually what we need to unscrew the retaining ring. I just have to cut away the rest of the inside here and shape it to nice, nice without any cutaway left. And then now it looks really good, and I can just use a file to actually, well, so let's say have it a nice shape, and using a fine file just to have the surface nice, so it will not scratch the paint on the retaining ring. So now it looks fine, and I can just try it on my lens here. Just find the two notch here and put it on, and it should fit. And then it's easy to unscrew. So that's really a good tool for making those. And here we have it. So we can just see here how it looks. So it fits like this, and on the other side. So that's it. So that was all for me. Hope you can UC info is just a standard hole saw, good quality, and it's 2" or 51mm. So that's all for me. Bye bye.